Do you post photos? Do you love to take photos of anything? Do you like to take photos of yourself, photos of what you cook, photos of anything? Are you active on Facebook? Do you know Facebook that nowadays they do monetize photos? And for your photo to trend, like to get that much attention, it needs to be a clear photo. Of course, not everyone can afford an iPhone. Not everyone can afford an expensive phone to take those clear photo, those HD photo, But in this video, I'm going to take you through on how to edit your photo into a 4K or HD resolution. Stay tuned. I'm Milento. In this particular video, I always teach people on how to maneuver in the social media space, whether how to edit, whether making money online, whether on how to grow on YouTube. Just anything positive I'll be going through in this particular channel. So I'm going to take you through on how to edit your photo from this to this, from this to this, from this to this one, my darling. Whether it is for food, whether the photo is for human being, anything that you take as photo, just realize that if you do a screen record of that particular app, the Hypic app, that part of the already edited picture, it cannot be screen record. So you can't even do a screen record. You cannot do a screenshot of that particular app. So I'm just going to take a video direct, like I'm going to film while I'm editing that particular picture so that you can see. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is to go to your Play Store to download the app. Search for the Hypic. Hypic. This one. If you don't have the app, you download. If you have it, then you update. Like mine, I need to update like that. If you have it is done, then you open. You want now to edit your picture. You go to the all photos. You choose a photo that you want to edit, like for instance this one. You want to edit this photo, you go to adjust, down here, adjust, then you go to, you look, there are different ways in which you can adjust your photo, so it just depends with your preference, quick adjust, auto. You make sure the auto is on. You can see the way it is already, there is a difference already from it. Then you go to enhance quality. Mostly I always use enhance quality for food stuff, like picture, like I mostly use enhance quality. At that particular time you can also choose to add brightness, exposure, but I don't do that. I just go to enhance quality like that, confirm. Give it time to restoring the image detail. The picture is ready. You can see the way it is. You can clearly see there is a difference, Now it is much brighter, more like HD. It is AI enhanced, Then you export. You have the picture in your gallery. Now let's go to human picture. We are now going to human photo. Let's go, let's look at my picture. Okay, let's look this one. This is a picture of me. We are going to enhance this photo. The same, you go to adjust, auto, it is on, the auto it is on. Then you go to enhance the quality. You can see my picture is now more brighter, more smooth. Then you can come to enhance face. This is for human. You enhance your face, you know. You can see it is more bright, more everything, you know. Then you export to your gallery, picture saved to your gallery. If you want to edit anything, just use the same space, you know. If you want even to make a thumbnail, I always make my thumbnail like this one, you know. You use someone's thumbnail to get yours. You see, it is very easy, my darling. Okay. So this is the app that you're supposed to do. There is a pro version of it and there is a free part of it. This mine, it's pro version. I decided to pay for it because I wanted. I always make use of this app. So you can also do free. There is a free version of it. Okay.